Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Aave, AAVE, is one of the top DeFi coins you should be aware at this point, particularly after its stupendous 2021. In any case, presently financial backers are inquiring, what is Aave generally anticipated to reach? Will it keep on arriving at better upsides in 2022 and then some? Before we profound plunge into Aave's possibilities, we should recap what Aave really is. As we as a whole know at this point, 2021 was the greatest year for the crypto market, especially DeFi coins. All in all, what amount might Aave at any point be worth? Investigate. Aave, the first crypto lending platform. Aave is a decentralized money, DeFi, convention that was intended to make it simpler for individuals to loan or get digital currency, explicitly by eliminating the requirement for them to go through a middle person. They portray themselves as a decentralized non-custodial liquidity market convention. In the same way as other DeFi crypto conventions, Aave was based on the Ethereum network, which makes it an ERC20 token. Aave likewise has contracts with Polygon, Matic, the Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, FTM, and Avalanche, AVAX, to give some examples. This permits Aave to effectively move around resources and in fact makes it a multi-chain cryptographic money. However, based on the Ethereum blockchain, which in fact makes Aave confirmation of work, Aave tokens can in any case be marked on Aave's foundation. Aave has a proper all-out supply of 16 million tokens. Exchange expenses are paid to the Ethereum blockchain. Why bother with Aave? Clients who loan a piece of their digital money holds procure revenue, while clients who get cryptographic forms of money pay revenue. Loaning digital money through stages like Aave has become one of the top ways of procuring a recurring, automated revenue in the crypto market lately. Who is behind Aave? Initially sent off under the name ETHLend in 2017, the stage was rebranded to Aave, and that signifies phantom in Finnish, in September 2018. The name change was essential for a transition to grow past loaning administrations that were only accessible on Ethereum. Stani Kulikov made Aave after acknowledging there was an absence of loaning conventions for the Ethereum environment. Apparently, Aave is the principal DeFi, showing up before the idea became famous. Kulikov knows about regulation and programming. What is Aave used for? The Aave token essentially functions as an administration token. The Aave protocol has a decentralized independent association, DAO, called Aave governance. This administration model permits individuals who hold Aave tokens to decide on approaches. This can then affect how Aave creates later on a specialized level, yet in addition on how it works as a help. You can figure out additional about Aave from their site and their white paper. Ensure you read V2, the later variant. Aave, AAVE, price predictions. As per the most recent Aave value expectation and figure, Aave will reach $384.87 toward the finish of 2022, ascending to $624.89 toward the finish of 2023 and $1,953.92 in 2025. The coin will then, at that point, ascend to $2,808.21 in 2027, and $4,538.45 in 2030. Our Aave value expectations are educated by a few key variables. Give close consideration to them throughout the following couple of years. Market interest is a colossal element that influences the cost of Aave and most other cryptographic forms of money, less so with cryptos that don't have a covered stock. At the point when request surpasses supply, the cost of Aave will increment, and when the inverse occurs, Aave will diminish. Organic market connect with a few sub-factors, some of which are referenced underneath. Without a doubt, the cost of Bitcoin influences Aave. Since Bitcoin was the first, greatest, and most well-known crypto, a large portion of individuals who will put resources into computerized resources at all have put resources into Bitcoin. This implies that when trust in BTC rises or falls, it has an expanding influence that is felt all through the market. For instance, When Elon Musk declared that Tesla would never again acknowledge BTC installments because of the natural effect of digital currency mining, it made the worth of Bitcoin lose large number of dollars short-term. In accordance with this, the cost of other cryptos fell as well. Aave dove to its most reduced costs since January 2021 following the declaration, in which Musk said, "Digital money is really smart on many levels and we accept it has a promising future, yet this can't come at an extraordinary expense for the climate." Somewhere else, guideline isn't just a worry to the more extensive cryptographic money market, yet the administrations that Aave offers will draw under nearer examination in the future as legislators banter how DeFi administrations ought to be managed. In the worst situation imaginable, they might be restricted or seriously restricted. Eventually, the lawful boundaries in which Aave can work could be a lift or a large issue contingent upon how controllers decide to handle it. One way or the other, financial backers ought to give close consideration. The decentralized money area has surprised the crypto world. Decentralized finance, known as DeFi, is the possibility that individuals reserve a privilege to get to monetary administrations that aren't claimed by focal bodies like banks and enormous organizations. The cryptographic money market is completely decentralized, which is principal fascination for some individuals, except DeFi is what's in store. As one of the primary digital money conventions in the DeFi space, Aave is impeccably put to exploit this expectation. It has a more just way to deal with finance, declining to present strategies like KIC, know your client, that other monetary administrations are obliged to utilize as an approach to screening their clients. Up until this point, Aave has not had a lot of media consideration, in any case, as we have seen from coins like Bitcoin. In the event that a coin certainly stands out in the news, it can attract a great deal of consideration, in some cases great and some of the time terrible. This can then influence interest. Dogecoin, DOGE, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, have additionally shown us how viral digital forms of money can become viral web-based entertainment when compelling people notice them. To sum up, there are a ton of elements that could emphatically influence the cost of Aave later on, making it a top present moment and long-haul speculation. Here are our Aave cost expectations for 2022 to 2030. Aave, AAVE, price prediction 2022. With DAO tokens proceeding to move in prominence in 2022, Aave will get forward momentum. According to our Aave cost figure for 2022, we project that the cost of the coin will begin improving soon. The cost focus for June 2022 is $174.54. We additionally anticipate that the cost should work on as the year progresses. The worth objective for November is